Our impact project is attempting to predict areas of aviation turbulence up to 18 hours ahead with much better accuracy than ever before. Nerc have been fantastic. They funded my PhD, which was the start of all of this, and then more recently they funded me through an independent research fellowship. Turbulence is everywhere in the world, and most of the time we don't even notice it in the atmosphere until we try and fly through it in a plane, and then those random currents of air push the plane up and down, and it can be quite uncomfortable for nervous flyers.
So there are situations of some turbulence being so bad that the crew have actually lifted up to the ceiling. One lady broke her leg on one of the final descents. So we have a lot of procedures and policies that we follow to try and minimise that risk, but there's only so much that we can do.
Clear air turbulence is the invisible kind that pilots can't see from the cockpit. The radar on board cannot detect clear air turbulence, and it's generated by wind shear in the jet stream, and those random currents push the plane up and down. Our turbulence forecasting algorithm works by analysing wind patterns in the jet stream and then using a computer model to calculate the regions within the jet stream where the turbulence is likely to break out. And it's currently being used by the authorities in the United States to make daily turbulence forecasts for pilots, air traffic controllers, flight dispatchers. Even members of the public have access to the website where the forecasts are published, so nervous flyers, before they go to the airport, can check out the forecasts and see whether they're in for a bumpy flight or not. Our research has calculated that climate change could double or even treble the amount of clear air turbulence in the atmosphere in the coming decades. And that's why I'm working with one of the largest aircraft manufacturers in the world to try and build our projections into their design parameters and make sure that the planes of the future can withstand the more turbulent atmosphere that they'll be flying in.